everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. This is the items that we'll be using for today's Glam DIY that I'm coming on to share with you. So let's get started. Alright everyone, I have these signs here that say home, and I don't want this sweet home on it, so I'm going to use some white acrylic paint and just paint over them. I'll do about 2 coats of paint, letting it dry in between each coat just to get rid of the words. And we have 2 home signs, 1 love sign and 1 family sign. Now we have our tray here that we'll be using. It's just a picture frame. I think it's 12 by 14. I'm not sure, but I lined out the center and I'm going to paint the center of it white, which you'll see the reason why later on throughout this DIY. Alright, now we have our home sign. It's all dry. I'm going to use some bling strips from Totally Dazzled and glam out our home sign. And like I told you, we have 2 home sign, 1 love sign and 1 family, and I will be decorating all 4 of them with the same pattern. And here I'm just going to add some of the flower bling wrap. And our sign's looking all cute. So now I'm going to take some longer strips of the bling wrap and put them just below the home sign. Yeah, just going to put the strip here at the back and at the front of each of our signs, just to give it some more glam. Now we'll be adding some bling gems going along the front. Okay, so now our tray is all dry, which I did do 2 coats of paint going down the center. So now we're going to take these mirrors that we have from the Dollar Tree. I believe they are 5 by 7 mirrors. I just separate them from the case and just going to use the mirror itself with some E6000. And I'm going to use some hot glue too and glue them down too. And now I have one of the 5 by 5 mirrors from the Dollar Tree, and we're just going to use some E6000 and some hot glue again and glue it to the center of our tray. And now it's time for some white glitter with some Mod Podge. And I'm going to use some silver glitter too. I'm just going to mix them together with the Mod Podge, and then we're going to place them into the center of our tray where we painted all white. And we're just gonna quote, add everything together, the glitter, everything going straight down. And then we're gonna let it dry, maybe for about 2 to 3 hours. Let it sit and dry. And here we are a few hours later with everything. We're going to put everything together now. Doesn't the signs look super cute? OMG. So we are just going to line them up. The two home signs facing each other, and then the love and the family sign facing each other on the opposite sides. So I'm just going to eyeball it, not measure. No, you know, I like to eyeball everything. If you like, you can measure it, no problem. But I'm just going to eyeball it, and I'm going to use some E6000 and some hot glue and glue our letters to the side of our tray. And now the hot glue will help hold it in place while the E6000 is drying, at least for about 8 hours. I usually let it go 24 hours, but at least 8 hours, and then we'll come back. Here is our finished tray. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. It's a nice, fresh, refreshing spring decor for the home, and I love how it blings out with the gems and the bling wrap going on the letters in a slant. I think it looks really nice, and I love the mirrors inside. Yes, I think it's a lovely piece of decor. And with the letters going all around, you can turn this tray at any angle that you'd like to display it at and show the home, the family, the love. Oh, I love how the family looks all blinged out. It looks very nice. A lovely piece of decor. Tray, yes, for the spring. Yep, spring and summer 2020. A nice refresh for your home.
Girl, this was not the plan. Yeah, I know you want them nice things. Know you wanna wear all of them nice rings. Yeah, no, I know you want designer. You don't want nothing but designer.
And here's our tray right here. I displayed it just below my TV, yes. Just giving you an idea of how it will look anywhere you place it throughout your home. I think it looks very nice. I just put one flower in there, which of course you could put more things there. You can put books, candles, anything that you love to put on your tray, and I think it will look absolutely beautiful. I love how it looks right here. I think it looks very nice. And like I said, you can angle it in any direction that you want to display whichever words that you want. Yes, it looks very nice. I love the glitter inside and the mirrors. I think it looks nice. A nice piece of fresh decor for the spring, yes.
That's what we're supposed to do. Supposed to look out for each other. No matter what or who it is. It can't even be your mother.
Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of this lovely, nice spring, summer, refresh tray, yes, for your home. You can place it anywhere throughout your home, on your coffee table, on your table, on your mantel, anywhere that you would like. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Even in your room, even on the dining table, it would look nice too. Yes, it would. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY, and give me a like. Press that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY to share. Alright everyone, Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.